Who got the timer on this last one? Was it Cake?
Adecto_Cooler69 deep cut with that half-baked reference.
Peace. Feels great.
Who got the timer on the last one?
You've still got
Because people
6
just spam
minutes
that
on
shit,
timer.
Freckles. 6 minutes?
UHM 4 more minutes.
Wait,
Love
6 or
Gramps.
4?
Albino had been usurped. I feel more comfy without a sword.
6 minutes or 4? Actually, I could probably
Good
do
night,
both of them.
Kettley.
Wait, Kettle went?
If
Kettle went to
Shelly
sleep?
Boise sword.
No, dude, he's banning people.
You
Like,
started timer.
dude, don't time anything out that I don't want to be timed out. That's how it
Good
should
night,
be.
philosopher
Shouldn't
of
be-
cakes.
You shouldn't be doing your own thing with the timeouts. You should be timing out what I want timed out. Oh shit, dude.
Lord Camel has spoken.
I don't need a sword for now.
Oh shit,
No
Vino got
favor need
unmodded.
for Harder Algo.
Seems
Yeah,
like 4
dude, he
minutes
was-
would be accurate.
Daddy
He was timing out
has
fucking-
spoken.
Freckles.
I'm about to go rogue.
He has 29 star thumbnail.
You have 29 stars? 29 Michelin
Yes,
stars?
my lord.
Yo, somebody run the fucking run the refund on for Freckles, dude.
Camel is the broadcaster high set the rules.
Lord
True,
Camel knows all.
CM.
Lord Camel knows all.
Honestly,
Lord Camel knows all. Lord Camel
true.
knows all. Lord Camel knows all. Lord.
Remember to subscribe to Camel Bus.
Yo, who was that? Yo, fucking Tom, dude. Yo, Tom, I appreciate it, dude.
Please film it, Luca.
LOL.
Gordon Ramsay Lil.
Wait, Gordon? That was for Gordon Ramsay.
Gordon Ramsay follows Camel.
Wait, that was Gordon?
Bro, there is
Gordon
like 20
Ramsay.
pong balls in the sink.
I have crippling depression.
Wait, Gordon Ramsay just got that sub?
You're cleaning.
Yo, Gordon. I'm just cleaning for the photo, Phil.
The first gifted sub was for Do You Like How I Talk Lol.
Are you serious? I didn't even notice that. Okay, let's get this shit out of here. We gotta get a nice ass photo for Cake to put some faces on.
No,
dude.
Gordon Ramsay. No way.
Shout out Gordon, dude. I'm gonna have Gordon on next week. Let's see if he follows me back on Twitter yet.
Pivo is regretting all his decisions leading up to this moment.
I got a freaking box.
Spartan.
You almost fucking dropped this shit on the floor.
Kebab slumped our end.
Remember to subscribe to Camel Bus.
Yeah, Kebabs went to sleep. Go Guy Fieri. Okay, well, I mean, honestly, Guy Fieri had that fucking good ass show. What was that shit called? Where he would like go to the fucking restaurants and like review.
Drivers, dine-ins, and dives.
Yeah, dude. Yo, that shit. I used to watch that shit all the time.
Guy
Dude.
Fieri
Shout out to
needs
Guy Fieri.
Jesus.
Yo, Guy Fieri, thank you for the sub. And Tom. Hi, Jane. You want one of these buns, Jane? Let's see what this angle is like. What did you say? Eat the